Welcome! If you're tired of those ad pop-ups showing up every time you get a direct message notification on the X app, I've got a simple, updated method to help you disable them right from your phone settings. Just follow these easy steps and you'll enjoy a cleaner, interruption-free experience. Start by opening your phone's Settings app. Once inside, scroll until you find the option labeled Apps and tap on it. This section lists all the apps installed on your device. Next, scroll to locate the X app in your list of apps and tap on it. This will take you to X app's specific settings. From here, tap on Notifications. This is where you control all the alerts and pop-ups related to the X app. You'll see a section called Notification Categories. Tap on that to reveal different notification types within the app. Look for direct messages in the list and tap on it. This category manages notifications specifically for your direct messages. Finally, you'll find an option called Show Ad Pop-up. All you need to do is toggle this off. And that's it. Disabling this option stops those annoying ad pop-ups from appearing whenever you get a direct message notification. With this quick setting change, your X app notifications will be much less disruptive, letting you focus on the conversations that matter without the extra clutter. Give it a try and enjoy a smoother, ad-free notification experience.